In this section, I'll walk you through the remaining templates, the key nuances of working with them, and how to set up statistics. In the test template, enter your question and answer choices. You can add options quickly by copy-pasting. You can mark one or several options as correct, or choose not to set correct answers at all. You can reorder both questions and answer options by dragging the handle on the left. In the timed test template, you can set a time limit for completing the quiz. The teacher can view and edit the quiz at any time. The student, however, can only click Start, and that's when the timer begins. Only the teacher can reset the timer. In the True, False, Not Stated template, set the correct answers. The Not Stated option can be enabled in the settings. Next, let's move to the Arrange in the Correct Order group. In the Sentence from Words template, you control how many parts to split the sentence into. If you paste in a full sentence, click the elements to break it into parts. After you save, the parts will be shown in a scrambled order. The student will have a check button available. In the Sort Words into Columns template, create as many columns as you need for words or phrases. This template also supports pasting lists. Just like in the previous template, there's also Pro mode here for working with markup. In the Put Text in Order template, enter sentences or paragraphs in the correct order. They'll be shuffled after saving. In the Unscramble template, type the word in the correct order. You can enter not only a single word, but also a phrase. Optionally, add a hint, then save. Repeated letters can be placed anywhere. They won't get in the way of completing the task. Similarly, in the Match Words template, duplicate pairs won't prevent the task from being completed. Now let's move on to the next group of templates. Word List lets you create a list of words with a translation or definition and add audio. Once the material is added to a class, you can assign the words to a student to study. In Note, you can change the color. This is a handy way to format rules, teacher notes, or tips for students. You can also create a table inside Notes. With the Link template, you can add a link to any external resource, and dividing lines help improve the visual layout of a section. Finally, there are templates that let you integrate popular services into your lesson. Just paste a link to the resource you need. The material will be added to the lesson. You can also set up statistics for exercises. At the top of the template, open the Statistics tab. Turn on Include in Statistics. Then choose how points should be awarded. The first method is 4 answers. Set the number of points for each correct answer in auto-checked tasks. Points are awarded only if the student gets the answer right on the first attempt. This method isn't available for all templates. For example, in article, essay, or voice recording, points can only be awarded manually. The second method is 4 mistakes. Specify how many points the student receives depending on the number of mistakes. You can add multiple options and set ranges. Finally, the third method is manually. This works for exercises where auto-checking isn't possible, for example, writing or speaking. You can also choose a statistics category where the points for this exercise will go. By default, all points go into the general category. In the virtual classroom, exercises with statistics will be marked with a star icon. Click it to see the student's results. At the end of the lesson, you'll be able to see the student's overall result for the entire material. For statistics to work in online courses, or marathons, don't forget to enable them in the settings. Then turn on Statistics and the Leaderboard. To view results, open the Statistics tab in the marathon. You'll see the leaderboard and each participant's total points. Once you've created a lesson or a personal material, you can share it with colleagues. Click Share and choose a mode. This way, you can exchange materials within the wider Edvibe teacher community. In the next lesson, you'll learn how to use the online whiteboard on the platform.